seeing more hair on your pillow, comb, or shower drain. Hair fall is becoming more common than ever, and many people ignore the early signs until it gets worse. But what actually causes hair fall? And what simple habits may help support healthier hair naturally? Let's find out. Hair loss can happen for many reasons. Stress, poor sleep, unhealthy diet, heat styling, hormonal changes, or even daily habits. And while some hair shedding is normal, excessive hair fall may be a sign that your body needs attention. 1. Stress may affect your hair. High stress levels may affect the hair growth cycle. Many people notice increased shedding during stressful periods. That's why healthy habits like berubeslap, relaxation, and exercise may help support overall wellness, including hair health. 2. Poor nutrition can make hair weaker. Your hair needs nutrients to grow properly. Diets low in protein, iron, vitamins, and healthy fats may affect hair strength over time. Balanced nutrition matters for healthy-looking hair. 3. Heat and styling damage. Frequent heat styling, harsh chemicals, and tight hairstyles may weaken hair strands. Over time, this may increase breakage and dryness. Gentle hair care can make a big difference. 4. Poor sleep may affect hair health. Sleep is when the body repairs and recovers. Poor sleep habits may increase stress and affect overall body function. Healthy sleep supports healthy routines. 5. Scalp health matters. A healthy scalp supports healthy hair. Oil buildup, irritation, or poor scalp hygiene may affect hair quality. Keeping the scalp clean and avoiding harsh products may help maintain healthier hair. 6. Crash diets can trigger hair fall. Extreme dieting and rapid weight loss may sometimes increase shedding. Your body needs enough nutrients and calories to function properly. Healthy changes should always be sustainable. 7. Small daily habits matter. Simple habits may support healthier hair over time. Staying hydrated, eating balanced meals, reducing stress, avoiding excessive heat, and sleeping properly. Consistency matters more than quick fixes. Important reminder: hair fall can sometimes be linked to medical conditions or nutritional deficiencies. If hair loss becomes severe or sudden, professional medical advice may help identify the cause. So, these are some common reasons behind hair fall and simple habits that may help support healthier hair naturally. Healthy hair often starts with healthy daily habits. What's your biggest hair problem right now? Comment below and let us know. And subscribe for more health and wellness videos every day. Thanks for watching.